In this lesson, we will discuss simplification of matrices and we will solve some questions related to how to add, how to subtract the matrices. So first of all, I told you that the matrices which are conformable for addition or conformable for subtraction, they should have the same order or same dimensions. Now, what does it mean, same dimension? Okay, it is here, this is 1. Okay, so see, these are 2 rows, first row, second row, and 2 columns. So the dimension is 2 by 2, right? Usually we write here. Same thing, 2 rows, 2 columns. This is 2 rows, 2 columns. So 3 of them have 2 rows and 2 columns. It means we can add. These matrices are conformable for addition. So to solve it, we will add the corresponding entries. So see, this is the first entry of this matrix. This is the first entry or first element of the second matrix. Similarly, this is the third element, third matrix and the first entry. So these are the corresponding entries. You have to add these together. 1 plus 0 plus 1. And then this one, second with second. So 0 plus 2 plus 1. And I told you that you have to write down a little bit far from each other. Come to the second row, same thing. First element of the first matrix, first element of the second matrix, and first element of the third. Similarly, you have to add the corresponding elements and then you have to add. It will be 2, this is 4, this is 3, this is 1, and this is your answer. We simplified it, right? Come to the question number 2. So here is, see, this matrix plus this, and this is negative, but you can check all have the same orders, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. It means we can add or subtract. So 1, this is the first, this one positive, but for the third matrix it should be negative because this is negative. Only the difference is this. If it is addition, you have to add, but if it is minus or negative, just write down. Come to the second one, 0 plus 2 and then negative 1. 0 plus 3 and then negative 1. Here 1 plus 0 plus 0. Write the second. Now this positive 1 or negative 1 will be 0. It is 2. It is 1. It is 1. So this is your answer. Right. Move on to the question number 3. Same thing. 1 row, 3 columns. Yes, these are conformable for addition or subtraction. 0, positive 1, and this one is the negative. So all these 3 you have to consider as a negative. Then 3 plus 0 minus 2. Here 1 plus 2 minus 2. So this positive or negative will cancel out. Here is 1 only. This is 1 and this is also 1. This is positive or negative. 0 and then 1 and 1, 1, 1. This is the answer. Question number 4. So first we have to check the dimensions. First, second, third. 3 by 3, 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. Both matrices has, so it is conformable for addition. But still, if you have any question, anytime you can ask me or you can write down in comment section. Right? If it is not clear, corresponding values you have to add together. 0 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Right? I will show you one time. This is this, second with this, 2 plus 3 with this. These are called the corresponding entry. First entry you have to enter with the first element of the second column, and same thing for the third and fourth. So it is 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. and this is your answer. Question number 5. 3 by 3, right? Dimensions are same. It means you can add or subtract. 2 plus 0, 3 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 plus, and whenever you will see minus sign, be careful, right? You have to give attention whenever you will see any negative sign here. So it is 2 0 3 2 2 3 5 1, and then plus minus minus 1, it will be 1. So this is the answer. Sixth and the last one is 2 by 2 dimensions. So very easy. Yes, we can add 1 plus 2 plus 1. First element, first element, first element. Now come to the second, 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 second. 0 plus, sorry, this is, see, you should be very, very attentive when you will do maths question. A very little thing will give you oh, okay, I will erase this. Here is positive 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1. Here second, and then you can add it. 4, 2, 4 and 2. And this is your answer. Right, so you have learned how to simplify the matrices. If still you have any question, any confusion, without hesitation you can write down in comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.